x squared y double prime plus x y prime minus y is equal to 0. This can also be written as m minus 1 plus m minus 1 y is equal to 0. Simplifying terms, m squared minus m plus m minus 1 y is equal to 0. M squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Finding its roots is just m root of 1, which is m plus minus 1. Using case 1, we have y c x minus 1 plus c2 x, or we can simplify this as c1 over x plus c2 x, and this is the final answer.